Hey everyone, if you're sending or receiving money across borders in 2025, you might be wondering Payoneer or LemFi. Today, we'll break down both apps, compare their fees, and help you decide which one's best for you. Let's dive in. Payoneer is a global payment platform perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and e-commerce sellers. It lets you receive payments in multiple currencies like USD, EUR, and GBP from marketplaces like Amazon and Upwork. You can hold funds in over 30 currencies, send payments to 190 plus countries, and even get a prepaid MasterCard for spending. Fees include a $29.95 annual card fee, 0.5 to 3% for currency conversion, and up to 3% for non-Payoneer transfers. Bank withdrawals cost $1.50 to $15, and ATM withdrawals are about $3 plus a 3% conversion fee. LemFi is designed for Africans in the diaspora, focusing on fast, low-cost transfers to African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya. It supports local payment methods like mobile money and bank transfers. You can send money from the US, UK, or Canada in local currencies or USD. LemFi's fees are simple, typically 1 or 2% per transaction, with no hidden costs. Currency conversion uses near mid-market rates, and transfers often arrives in minutes. So how do they stack up? Payoneer shines for global business payments, especially for freelancers and sellers on platforms like Fiverr. Its fees can add up though, especially for currency conversion and withdrawals. LemFi is better for sending money to Africa, with lower fees and faster transfers to diaspora users. Check out this chart for a quick look. Choose Payoneer if you're a freelancer or business needing global reach and multi-currency accounts. Go with LemFi if you're sending money to Africa for lower fees and faster transfers. Pick based on your needs and always check the latest fees. Drop a comment if you have questions. Like and subscribe for more videos.